Hello students, very good morning. This is your math period. So as you know, lesson number 10, measurement is going on. Students, yesterday in classwork, we had solve class assignment 10B, and in homework, I gave you home assignment 10A. I hope you have done your classwork and homework both. Okay, so students, today we are going to read and learn about measuring weight. Clear? So all of you open the page number 144. Okay, so look at this page number 144. Page number 144. Topic is measuring weight. Okay, so let's read these sentences. Earlier we have learned to find the length of an object. Now we will find the weight. Here before measuring weight, we had learned about length of an object. Okay, for example, here come back page number 142. So we measured the length of pencil, okay, is about 7 centimeter. Okay, we measured the length of eraser about 4 centimeter. Clear? So these are the example of measuring length. Clear? Now we will find the weight, and today we are going to learn about measuring weight. Okay, we can measure the weight of any object by fixed measurements called standard units. Grams and kilograms are used to weigh object. Clear? So we measure the weight of any object. For example, fruits, vegetables, okay, shoes pair, clear, sweets, okay. So these objects we will measure in gram and kilogram. Clear? So here gram and kilograms are used to weigh objects. Clear? So here kilogram is bigger and gram is smaller. Clear? With the page number 145. Grams. So here we are talking about gram. Okay, weight of light object is measured in gram. It is written as G. Okay, so weight of light object is measured in grams. Light objects, for example, sharpener, coin. Clear? So we measure in gram. Okay, it is written as G. Clear? So here grams short form is G. Clear? So grams short form is G. Clear? A sharpener weighs about 10 gram. A rupee coin weighs about 10 gram. Clear? Now come to the kilogram. Weight of heavy object is measured in kilograms. It is written as kg. Clear? So short form of kilogram is kg. Clear? So short form is kilogram is kg. Okay, so 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. Clear? 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. 2 kg equal to 2000 gram. Okay, clear? 5 kg equal to 5000 gram. Clear? 5000 grams. 10 kg equal to 10,000 grams. Clear? So 1 kg equal to 1000 grams, 2 kg equal to 2000 grams, 5 kg equal to 5000 grams, 10 kg equal to 10,000 grams. Clear? Now come to the weighing machine. Weighing machine is a device to measure the weight of anything. For example, weighing vegetables in kilograms. Okay, weighing a ring in grams. A small watermelon weighs about 1 kg or 1000 grams. Okay, a pair of shoes weighs about 1 kg. Okay, here weight of a feather is about 1 gram. Weight of a mango is about 250 grams. So mango weight is 250 grams. Okay, weight of a newborn baby is about 3 kg. Okay, so baby is about 3 kg. Clear? So weight of this newborn baby is about 3 kg. Clear? Look at here. All these things help weight to measuring. Okay, so this one 25 grams, 500 grams, 5 grams and 10 grams. Clear? Second, 5 kilograms, 2 kilograms and 1 kilogram. Clear? Now come back to the page number 144. Okay, so question number 2 from home assignment 10A. Question number 2 for homework today. Clear? From home assignment 10A. So solve this question number 2 in your book. Clear?